Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. And in this video I'm just going to share about the holidays are here, December is here, and yes, I'm just slowing down. I'm not in my normal official routine. Okay, so in this video I'm just going to share, yes, what's how I'm trying to package my holiday as it locks, as it kicks in. Okay, so if this aligns with you, it aligns with what you're just looking forward to, stay around and let us just see what we have in store. Okay, so stay around and hey, let us head to the video, guys. Yes.
What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
So guys, what we are going to do first of all is I just want to ensure that I have the dates right. Okay, just want to ensure that I go with the calendar. Just want to check and ensure that my calendar is up so that as we plan, we are guided by the calendar. Okay, so the holidays have kicked on. Yes, and I'm looking at my week starting from 22nd. So 22nd, yes, so we plan. I'm writing down what I want done on 22nd. Okay, I have to ensure first of all, once I get a protective hairstyle, because this one I cannot handle it during the holiday. So first of all, ensure my hair is done. Okay, to my kids' hair is done with a protective style. Yeah, both of us will have to do away with this style so that we get something that easily manageable both for the girls and myself. Yeah, so kids' hair is done. Tick. That is, we are planning with the 22nd. 22nd, I plan that, so that now from there, 23rd, I want us to 23rd. This is my calendar. This is my calendar. Okay, my calendar. I'm working with that, and I'm just looking at specific dates that I'm blocking. Okay, you see, I'm looking at it. I block I look at them. So here is done shopping. Okay, then tick. Then I just ensure that after that the planning phase is over. So I was just using my calendar so that I get everything right. I was just using my calendar so that I get everything right, and at the same time I'm also with my notebook. I'm just with my notebook just to ensure that I capture everything correctly. I'm writing down what I want done. So here tick, done, here tick, kids here done, tick, shopping done, then packing clothes because we are meant to travel before before traveling, okay. And then just to ensure that everybody is well supported, I also ensure I have my pen and paper always, so that in case I want to do something, pen and paper for record purposes, so that when I want to do something purposes, I just like write it down. Okay, so I have my pen, I have my notebook, I'm doing my writing. Okay, just to ensure that that is done. Then I assign tasks. I still need assistance. Okay, so I will assign some tasks that I can be assisted, assign tasks. Okay, so I plan, and of course exercise. I need to keep fit during this period. So as you plan for your holiday, you just write down what you want done. I'm ensuring that my everything, because I may end up forgetting some things, so I've just written down just to ensure that I keep my records. Okay, so here I just ensure that I remove this hair that needs to be done like every day. I put on a protective style that I'm going to ensure that it is easy to maintain during this long holiday. Also do the same for the kids so that they look nice, yes, and at the same time it is easy for me to manage them. And then another thing, I have to ensure I do shopping. Okay, and as I do shopping, I just have to ensure that I do things that, yes, will come in handy for me, especially for the kids. And then as I pack, I need a pen and a paper always, so that I write things down. As I remember, I write them down. Okay, and then I assign tasks so that I see which ones can I be assisted. I know I will be a lone ranger, but there's some things that I can just delegate around to be assisted. Then exercise, I need to exercise so that I keep fit. So that one must be there. Then I must ensure I have medicine with me. Okay, I do calpo mostly for my girls, just in my girls. So medicine here, I'm budgeting at calpo. Okay, so that in case they have fevers before we get to hospital, I ensure at least the fever is brought down by this, and calpo has really assisted me. Okay, so ensure during this period you just plan, carry your notebook with you, have a pen with you, have a bag, have a bag. Personally, I have this bag of mine, okay, that have a bag that you just put your everything in so that you can easily access them. And so guys, thank you for watching. I believe this planning vlog has just been, yes, so like, yeah, brief, but you've been able to get most of the information. Okay, so thank you so much. And if this information was helpful and it just aligns with your preference, remember to give me a like and subscribe to my channel. So until our next video, what do we say on this channel? Blessings, guys.